Assalamu alaikum everybody. I hope you are well. Today I will discuss about headers, the importance of headers, and how can we get our suitable headers from the website. Okay, now first I am showing you the importance of these headers. To show this, I have made a script. I am just showing you. Okay, just hold on with me. Look at this. This is a Python script where I have used Playwright. Playwright is a Python script to make the browser automatically working or to scrape any browser or any website. Okay, here look at this. I am going to take response from this indeed.com, and here I have not using any header. Okay, now I am running this website, this Python code. Just look, you should aware of this output, please. Okay, I am running this code. Then you will found the output here. Look at this. This is 403. This is 403. That means this response is not a good response. We cannot scrape this indeed.com. But in another Python script, this 10 here, look at this. I just extra added a headers, a user agent. I just added this user agent. I will show you from where I gather this user agent. First, just you see this. I take this user agent as a string in a variable x. Then when I running this same Python script using Playwright library, just I use a attribute user agent equal to x. That x means this is the user agent. If I run it, then you will observe this. My response will be a good response. That means 200. If it is 200, that means I can easily scrape this indeed.com. Okay, in front of you, I am running this code. So just observe it. It is coming. I look at this. It is amazing. It's really amazing. For this response status, we are found 200. It was 403 for the previous script, but for this script, this is indeed.com. It is a complex website to scrape. This complex website we can also scrape just using this extra argument user agent equal to x, and this x is full string. This is the user agent. So now I think you will understand the importance of this user agent. Now I will show you how can you get or collect this user agent for your web scraper also. Okay, just hold on. Now I am opening this. Look at this. This is the first method where you can easily found your user agent. Just you will import a request, then r equal to request.got. You must have to use this website http://bin.org user agent. If you run this user agent and if you print r, then you will find for this r you will find the status code. For this r.text you will find the user agent, and if you want to save this user agent, you can write this with a pen x.html. Look at here, there is no HTML file, but when I run this code, I will find a HTML file also here. Okay, I am clearing the terminal. Now I am running this code. Just observe here. Look at this. This is amazing. We found our code. Look at this. For this response, we found this 200. That means easily we can scrape this. For this r.text, we found this user agent, and this is a default user agent for Python. you should not use this default Python user agent, but it is the way to get the user agent, understand? And also this user agent is also saved in this x.html. If I open this, you will find that, okay, I am opening this HTML file. Here is also user agent, but this is the default user agent from Python. If you use this user agent in your web scraper, the website will block you, because they will understand that you are getting giving you response from your Python code, but they want expected the response from their from any type of browser, just like Chrome browser and Mozilla browser. For this, what will we do? Just look at this. Next, I will open this. I will open this website in Google Chrome now. Okay, come in Google Chrome. Here is Google Chrome. Just I am pasting here. It will be good that if I just zoom in. Okay, here I am pasting this URL. If I click here, look at this. This is the user agent. So this is the way you can find a suitable user agent for your web scraper. Just you come here, copy this URL, then go to your Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, then you will find it will give this output. This is one way. Okay, now I am giving you this second way. Suppose this is my website SEO Tanvir VD. I am now discussing the second way. You just go here and go to inspect. When you go to inspect, this is the inspect element, it will be open. Then you will go to network, locate, it is empty, but come here, just you give it a refresh, then you will find that there is many type of result is coming here. Response, any response you can touch here, no problem. I am just clicking it, don't need. I am just clicking this. Then look at here, in these headers you will find all of the requests. This is the request, this is the status code. At the last you will find this user agent. This user agent, you just copy this user agent and use it in your Python code. Then you will find the a good user agent. Like here I am uncomment this. It is interesting factor that when you use these headers, then the request will come with these headers. Okay, I am just comment it out, then you can easily understand what is happening here. You see that you already saw that the user agent for http.org is default is a Python user agent, but when you use this user agent with these headers, now the user agent will come this output. Just run it. Before that I am clearing it. Okay, the terminal is clear. Now you will see this. Okay, run it. Just observe here, look at this. This is our response 200. Okay, now I am going to print the text also. Print print r dot text r dot text. Okay, now I am running this again. Just observe here, look at this. It is really amazing. This is the response and this is the user agent. This user agent is come here because of we have used this argument. If you use this argument, then the website, in the other hand, they will see that the user agent is like a normal browser, then they will not block you. And this is occurred in the indeed.com. When I use these headers, they did not block me. I think you find the second way. And the third way is using Postman. Postman is a software. If I opening Postman, this is Postman. You can go to post here. I written is just see it. It is so easy. Here is Postman. I written here indeed.com. I think now you can see this is indeed.com. If you send here a request, it will make a request, and this is the output of the request. The result is 200k, and you can easily get the header from here. Just click here, then you will find the headers here. It is by using Postman software. You can download Postman, or I have already, now I have shown you three process. One is using http.org, another is spec element, and another is Postman. I think you find it well for your own web scraper, inshallah. For now today, assalamu alaikum.